Good day, everyone. We are here to tackle about the cyberspace guide regarding the risk of artificial intelligence and machine learning in the different fields, together with the mitigations and solutions that we can use and apply. For today's episode, everyone, we have here our different guests who are experts in artificial intelligence regarding the risks, and they will help us to gather more knowledge, expand our knowledge regarding the mitigation and solution of these risks. And we have our first guest, Mr. Jerson Senyara from Department of Science and Technology.
Good day, everyone. I am Jerson D. Senyara from Department of Science and Technology. And now we are going to discuss about the risk of cybersecurity threats. So first, let's move forward. So data poisoning refers to the deliberate manipulation or contamination of training data to compromise the performance or reliability of AI models. This attack can cause AI models to produce inaccurate predictions, biased result, or malicious outputs.
So, Mr. Jerson, may we know what are the mitigation or strategies that we can use to prevent the cybersecurity threats?
So there are 6 mitigation strategies that we are going to tackle. First is data validation and cleaning. Second is encryption and secure data handling. Third is secure data sourcing. Fourth, robust model training techniques. Fifth, monitoring and auditing. Sixth, collaboration and sharing threat intelligence. So by integrating these strategies, organizations can significantly reduce the risk of data poisoning attacks and protect the integrity of their AI system. Again, by the way, I am Jerson D. Senyara. The rest is cybersecurity threats. That's all, and thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jerson Senyara. For our second guest, we have Mr. Jonathan Gaputan, Philosophy Instructor of Salay Community College.
Good day, everyone. I am Jonathan Gaputan, Philosophy Instructor from Salay Community College. We discuss about ethical risk and artificial intelligence, from challenges like bias, lack of transparency, privacy violation, accountability issues, job displacement, measures, and ethical decision-making conflict. This risk can lead to discrimination, harm to privacy, and social disruption.
So, Mr. Jonathan, may we know about the mitigation and solutions regarding the ethical risk in artificial intelligence?
Thank you, Mr. Christian. Mitigation ethical risk in artificial intelligence. Mitigating this risk involves implementing ethical frameworks, ensuring fairness and transparency and accountability, protecting privacy. So, engaging diverse stakeholders and establishing regulatory oversight. Addressing these issues is essential to maximize AI benefits while minimizing harm and maintaining trust. And thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jonathan. And that will be all for our first episode.